Y'all, we made it to day 60.
Woo!
That means we are officially on the downside of the 100-day challenge. I'm feeling so grateful, natural, and ready to celebrate. Hey fam, it's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae. And today is day 60 of my 100-day challenge. Can you believe
Wow.
it? 60 days of showing up, growing, sharing, and staying consistent. We've covered real estate, life, lessons, laughs, and now we're coasting to that finish line. Today I'm keeping
Wow.
it pretty light. No glam, no fuss. I'm rocking my natural self. Sometimes, with beauty, it's just being real and showing up as you are. And with my birthday tomorrow, yep, I'll be 49 and fabulous. I'm feeling nothing but gratitude. So I'm spending the day kind of tying up some admin work and prepping so that I can truly unplug and enjoy tomorrow. But I couldn't skip checking in with you all because you are a part of this journey. So here's to showing up, even on the simple days, to embracing our bare faces, our busy lives, and our blessed moments. So drop a birthday cake emoji in the comment if you're still rocking with me. And if you're working on your own goals, stay the course. The second half of the challenge starts now. And I am rooting for us both. So make sure you subscribe. Hit the link in my bio to connect with me. I would love that. And smile and be a blessing. See y'all for day 61. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.